Today we're going to talk about infinite series. And our examples today will be dealing with geometric series. But we're going to deal with some basic geometric series and the ideas behind them. One of the most famous series out there right now that students first will learn is the idea of 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8 plus 1/16 plus, and that will just go on forever. And what they want to know is, what does that actually equal? Well, we know this equals 1, but why? Why do mathematicians know that this is going to equal 1? To write in real terms and calculus terms, we would have the summation of n equals 1 to infinity. Okay, we're adding up all our values as we plug in n equal to 1 of 1/2 to the n power. And so what that's stating here is that we have, when n equals 1, we plug in 1. Okay, it's 1/2. The next value we add is when n equals 2. We square 1/2, we get 1/4. When n equals 3, we square that, cube that, we get 1/8, etc. So we're adding up all of these. So we can write it this way as n goes to infinity, as we go to an infinite number of additions. Well, this answer equals 1, and for basic geometric series, what we can do is take the value that's inside here that's less than 1, and when it's put just with basic power, we can write it as 1/2 over 1 minus 1/2. Okay, the value that's in here that's that we're taking the powers of and stuff, and so we take that number 1/2 over 1 minus 1/2, and that will give us what this series is approaching, and it is approaching 1. Now, how can we see this visually? Well, we can see it visually with pictures. Let's say I have a basic just cube. Okay, now bear with my drawings, not necessarily all cube shape. Okay, and let's say this cube has a unit of 1, an area of 1. Okay, an area of 1 unit squared. If I want to take a half, I can break it down, 1/2. All right, and we kind of can shade this area here, and we have half of a unit. And then I want to add a 1/4. And so a 1/4, well, 1/4 of the whole unit is right here. That is 1/4. Okay. And if I wanted to add it an 1/8, I could break this quarter down in half, which gets us an 1/8. Want to add a 1/16. And so on. I can keep cutting these in half, the leftover space in half. And we can see that eventually we will, if we go to infinity, we'll keep adding until we have this whole space filled, which is just 1 unit. And so that's how visually we can see how this series will add up, this infinite series add up to be 1. Thank you for watching and have a good day.